Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn styling text. How to style a text you will be learn here. So here, why we require to making the styling a text important in websites. So all the web pages, normally eyesight will capture a beautification of either fonts or a colorful text, and by seeing the observation of the text, by reading something, if it is a look and feel is very comfortable to read, those text it will accept. So text styling and displaying is a majorly we have to focus as a CSS designer. So the font style property is mostly used to specify italic text, bold text, normal text, oblique text. These are the types. So this property have basically three values are there, which is the font style property. So here what we are going to be observing in the style, what I am trying to write in here, just simply I'm writing a simple class I am preparing. So p dot, like a very simple normal, first I'll take it as a class name, and here for why I'm creating this, see the paragraph I'll create here. So the paragraph, this is a normal paragraph text. This is a normal paragraph text. So if I refresh normal paragraph text, you will get here. So let's see this text, if I am applying very simply a font style is normal, let's see how it would be. So the font style property is there. See, these all are font styles only. Sketch, all you try to apply one by one, few of will cover. Font style, if I take a normal, if I am applying font style is a normal, and here this class I am going to applying this particular paragraph by writing class normal, normal, name of the class, which I have created here. So let's see, save this and let's check it. So normally by default it will be displayed like a Times New Roman font. There is no changes at all. So now you observe why I have prepared to identify the difference between normal and others. So this other one is I'm creating one more paragraph which is a italic style, like p tag. This paragraph text is applied for italic style text. Italic style text, yes. So what I need to do here, I need to create one class with italic, and here font style I will put here like yes, italic. So let's see, this class I need to write here now, class like italic, yep, italic. So let's see, very keenly observe, the second paragraph will come here with the text of italic it will be. So if I refresh, wow, see this is the normal text, this is the italic, means it will be like a right side, it will be sleeved somewhat, the text will be like a move into the right side, how the italic will apply. You may observe this T and above T, and this P and this P, this paragraph text, you may check it. So it will be moved right side towards to the right side. This is will be called as italic. And another one, the third one is also oblique. It's a text is learning oblique is a very similar to italic but less supported, but it's not support all the browsers. So let's see one more paragraph I'm going to taking to putting something, it's a style called paragraph oblique, text formatting. Okay, text formatting. So for this I'm creating one more oblique is a style, and taking font style, yeah, OBLIQUE, it is there. So I need to apply the class. So how I'll apply here? So the class OBLIQUE oblique. So save it, which is similar to most of the browsers may support or may not, but which is the font style is also similar to italic. All right, so let's may all the browsers may support or not, you may check it yourself. So this way we can make it customization of the styles in our text and styling the text. Basically how we are going to be making this styling of the text, we'll learn one by one. So apply wherever in cards or making a segregation of the paragraphs, div tags, wherever you want, you just straight away you may apply these classes. Straight away you may apply the classes and you feel the requirement which is applied or not. So easily you are getting a clear information over here. So I think so it's very simple. So let's next lecture we learn how to do an alignments. Thank you.